Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. As we have seen, tense is an active passive. Now transformation of a sentence, very important topic point. First, what is transformation? Transformations of a sentence means changing of the structure of a sentence as directed without changing its meaning. Some ways of changing the structure of a sentence are given below. Without changing the meaning, we have to transform according to the instruction given. See, number one, remove the adverb to. The sentence given below with the adverb to are all simple sentence. When you find the sentence with adverb to, all are called simple sentence. As you know, three types of sentence: simple, compound and complex. When you find this particular sentence with two, TOO, this sentence must be simple sentence. When we remove to, we are supposed to convert the simple sentence into complex sentence. That we will learn afterwards. Using so that, to cut and you have to use so that means simple sentence we have to convert into complex. It makes the adverb clause of result. It shows result. The introduction for this transformation may also be make it negative, use so that, make it complex, and rewrite using adverb clause of result. Four instruction given, but we have to make only one way, that to cut and we have to use so that. However, answer to each of these instructions will be the same. Answer same, they will ask in different way. How many ways I can see? Giving instruction, make it negative, then also use so that, then also to cut and have to use so that, make it complex, then as we have seen with to, that is simple sentence, and to cut and use so that it become complex, and rewrite using the adverb clause of result, then also to cut and have to use so that. That means instruction may be different but have to make in one way using to and use so that. Next, see, the fact is too evident to require any proof. That means the fact is so evident that it does not require any proof. See, when the sentence with to, as you know, not there, but when you change, remove to and use so that, then you have to make negative. The fact is so evident, see, to cut and have to write so in place of that. Then you have to join the sentence with that, have to write pronoun according to the meaning. It does not require any proof. See, it does not, we have to add our own, require any proof, see, taken from the sentence, to cut. Again the fact is, see, same, to cut and use so. So evident, already same in both. Have to join with that, then according to subject have to write pronoun it, because it is used for fact. It, then have to make negative, does not, and require any proof, same. So you find the changing this in three places, as you know. To cut, you have to use so, then word, then have to use that, then affirmative sentence with to, then negative we have to make. Meaning same, telling the fact is too evident to require any proof, and the fact is so evident that it does not require any proof, meaning same. Second, the officer was too clever not to understand your tricks. The officer was so clever that he understood your trick. See, because first sentence negative, see, not to understand, that is why second sentence affirmative coming, see. The officer was so evident, to cut so evident that. See, in not to understand, negative is there with to, then here he understood, that means not coming negative, then affirmative, your tricks. So affirmative then negative, negative then affirmative. This tree is too high for me to climb. This tree is too high for me to climb. That means this tree is so high for that I cannot climb it. See, this tree is too cut so high that I cannot climb it. For me, then it objective case change into subjective case. I cannot climb it. See, it is never too late to mend. It is never so late that it one cannot mend. Subject not given. That is why one have to write. Next, he is too ignorant to hold such an important office. He is so ignorant, to cut so ignorant that he should not or cannot hold such an important office. According to the meaning of the sentence, you have to write. Should not, cannot, does not, generally cannot come. Clear? Again, he is too ignorant to hold such an important office. He is so ignorant that he should not hold such an important office. See, used to. He was so tired that he could not walk any further. He was too tired to walk any further. See, in place of so that have to use to. That means complex sentence have to change into simple. See, he was saying, then in place of so I have to write too, tired, then that cut, he cut, could not cut, direct to walk, heading to with the verb walk any further. Complex sentence is always bigger than the simple sentence. Simple sentence smaller than complex. Mathematics is so hard that I cannot understand it easily. Mathematics is too hard for me to understand easily. I coming, that is why for me. So vice versa, giving to and telling remove to, and giving so that and telling used to. Both way we have to remain careful while changing simple into complex, complex into simple, using to and remove to. Do the practice, then not hard. Interchange of degree of comparison. See, following the instruction change the degree. We change the degrees of adjective and adverbs as given in the sentence without changing their meaning. Degree we have to change, that you have been learning from 6th standard, without changing the meaning. Study the following example. See, there are three types of degree, you know: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, I am as tall as he is. He is not taller than I am. See the changes taken place, last taking first. I am as tall as he is. Positive sign is, you know, as or so as, and first form of adjective. In positive, either as coming or so as coming, and in between this main adjective coming. I am as tall as he is. Tall as, you know, adjective. Adjective definition, you know, adjective is a word which adds some meaning to the noun. So when you change into comparative, then last take first. He is not. Affirmative, then negative. Negative, then affirmative. Positive degree given, that is affirmative. So when you make it comparative, you have to make it negative. He is not. Then tall, second form is, you know, taller. Comparative form. Generally in comparative form, er adding. Clever, then cleverer, rich, then richer, big, then bigger, tall, then taller. Then have to add then, and then first, that is last, I am. So he is not taller than I am. That means I am as tall as he is. He is not taller than I am, meaning same. Positive degree. She is not too wise as Meena. C is not too wise as Meena. Positive degree is there. Comparative, then last first, Meena is wiser than C. See, Meena is wiser. Wise second form, comparative form wiser. Then C remains same. C is, or only write C, then also it will do. Meena is wiser than C, or C is. Clear? Positive degree. No other play of Kalidas is so or as popular as Sankutla. Sankutla is more popular than any other play of Kalidas. And superlative degree, as you know, more than two comparison is there, then superlative possible. Superlative, Sankutla is the most popular of all the plays of Shakespeare. Sankutla is the most popular of all the plays of Kalidas. Superlative. See, positive, start with no other. More than two comparison, then. No other play of Kalidas is so or as popular as Sankutla. Sankutla is more popular than any other play of Kalidas. Popular, as you know, comparative form, more popular. Not er adding in all cases. Long adjective is there, then have to add more in comparative. More popular than any other play of Kalidas. In superlative, Sankutla is the most popular of all the plays of Kalidas. Superlative sign, as you know, the and third form, most popular. Otherwise, est adding, but here long, that is why more in comparative and most in superlative. Positive, very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. Another type of degree, positive degree is there. Mumbai is bigger than most other cities of India. Here the main characteristic is there, that plural form is used. See, cities in positive, see, very few cities, and in comparative, see, Mumbai is bigger than most other cities. City only not coming. City is plural form here coming in positive, comparative and superlative. See, superlative, Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. See, one of the biggest, in that one of the not coming. So that is another type of degree. In positive, very few coming, in that positive, no other, start with no other. Comparative, as you know, direct, second form, here we have to write plural form. In superlative, one of the coming in this, in that one of the not coming. Direct, right? If you both seeing together, then you realize. Interchange of active and passive, that we have already seen. Yet taking it, active voice is used when the agent or doer is prominent, and passive voice is used when the action becomes prominent. Action is important, then passive. Subject is important, then active. The agent is unknown, or much importance is given to the agent. See, or not much importance given to the agent means subject. Active, I am writing a letter. See, subject I, importance of I, that is active. See, passive, a letter is being written by me. See the difference here, then you realize it in a proper way. Continuous present tense active and continuous present tense passive. Tense not change, tense remains same. A letter, object taking first. Then if you remember the formula, then object plus am is are. So a letter singular is coming, then being we have to add in passive in continuous present tense. Past participle coming. Right, past participle, as you know, written by I become me. We then by us, you remain by you, he then by him, she then by her, it then by it, they then by them. That we should take into consideration. Active C. Did you see that picture? Simple past tense interrogative active. Was that picture seen by you? That we have learned. Was that picture that picture singular that was coming, that picture, and always in passive past participle coming, seen by you. See, active, who teaches you grammar, by whom is grammar taught to you, or by whom are you taught grammar. Anyway you can write, because here two object is there, grammar and you. So by taking first object also you can make, and by taking second object also you can make. By whom is grammar taught to you, or by whom are you taught grammar. One should keep one's promise. That means promises should be kept by one, no need of writing. Certain subject, as you know, understand, no need of writing. Settle the account today. Let the account be settled today. See, it is imperative sentence, start with the verb. Then we have to use like this, use of let. Let the account. Then we have to add be, settle, third form, as you know, settled today. Today remains same. See, alas, we shall hear his voice no more. Alas, his voice will be heard no more. Active, see, they will kill him by tomorrow. He will be killed by them tomorrow. See, then you realize it in a proper way. Interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. Study carefully the changes made in sentence with changing an affirmative sentence into negative and vice versa, means opposite. Affirmative and negative, negative and affirmative, that's all, without changing meaning. Study, see, Brutus loved Caesar, that means Brutus was not loved without Caesar. See, Brutus loved Caesar, that means Brutus was not without love for Caesar, meaning same. First sentence is called affirmative, second sentence is called negative. Negative in the sense that not coming. In affirmative, not is not there. Affirmative, only he was present there. That means none but he was present there. None, you know, negative. None but he was present there. See, affirmative, he is the richest man in this town. No other man in this town is as rich as he. See, superlative degree given turned into positive. That means negative sentence. Not coming, see. Affirmative, as soon as he saw me, he came to me. Negative, no sooner did he see me. See, did he see me coming, because first form coming, and then he came to me. Then he came to me. Observe. Affirmative, where there is smoke, there is fire. That means there is no smoke without fire, you know. Affirmative, he must have seen the museum when went to Vadodara. Negative is that he must not have missed seeing the museum when he went to Vadodara. Meaning same. He must have seen. That means he must not have missed. Taken advantage. Interchange of interrogative and assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence used to emphasize a statement be changed into assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is maybe affirmative or negative statement, as you know. Both are called assertive. Assertive sentence may be affirmative or negative sometimes statement. When the given interrogative sentence is affirmative, the assertive will be negative and vice versa. When given sentence is affirmative, then you have to make negative. See, interrogative, who does not love his motherland? See the assertive. Everyone loves his motherland. No need of asking, as you know. Interrogative, why waste time in viewing such serial? It is useless to waste time in viewing such serial. As you know, it is useless. Certain things are to be understood only. What though we happen to be late, it does not matter such if we happen to be late, as you know. Interrogative sentence, who can endure this for a long time? No one can endure this for a long time. Understand the meaning of it and write according to it. Can you gather grapes from thorns? You cannot gather grapes from thorns, as you know, it is quite impossible. So, seeing the sentence, and you have to decide we should make it affirmative or negative while making assertive sentence. Meaning should not be changed. That we should keep in mind. See, interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentence. See, exclamatory sentence express strong emotions or feelings. Such sentence may be incomplete. While converting the sentence into assertive, we have to complete them and words putting in proper order. See, study the following sentence. What a piece of work is man. Man is really a wonderful piece of work. Exclamatory, what a terrible night. It is a very terrible night. See, certain things are to be understood only. To put emphasis, this type of sentence exclamatory used, and when you change into assertive, you have to cut what, how, this type of words very really indeed you have to add. Exclamatory, oh, for a glass of ice cold water. I wish I had a glass of ice cold water. Exclamatory, how nice of you to help me in this way. It is very nice of you to help me in this way. You see, then you realize. Now see, conversion of sentences. A simple sentence can be converted into compound and complex sentence. Simple sentence has only one finite verb, main verb only one. Compound sentence has two or more coordinate clause joined by coordinating conjunction, supportive conjunctions such as and, but, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, as you know. And complex sentence has two or more clauses, of which one is the principal clause and the others are subordinate clause. But we have nothing to do with this. We have to change simple into compound, compound into complex, or complex into simple, or complex into compound. Such as that, because, if, as you know, the clause are joined by subordinate conjunctions such as that, because, if, though, as, which, whom, what, why, all WH coming in complex sentence, you know. Beside this, if coming, unless coming, because coming, so that coming, conversion of simple sentence into compound. See, a simple sentence can be changed into compound sentence or a complex sentence by enlarging a word or a phrase into a coordinate or subordinate clause. By making it large, we have to make it. A compound sentence change in complex sentence can be changed into a simple sentence, changing a clause into phrase. By long, we have to make it short by using phrase or expressing the meanings in one word. As you know, we can make it. See, study the example. Simple, he knows about my difficulty. Simple sentence. Compound, see, I have some difficulties and he knows about them. That means that we must think it in a proper way. See, simple, besides educating him, his uncle gave him monetary help. That means his uncle not only educated him but also gave him monetary help. That shows that it has higher importance. Now see, you must make haste to reach there in time. That means you must make haste or you will not reach there in time. See, meaning same. You must make haste, or see, opposite meaning, that is why, or you will not reach there in time, meaning same. In spite of working hard, he did not succeed. That means he worked hard but he did not succeed. Simple sentence, he failed due to his negligence. That means he was negligent and so he failed. See the meaning by using so. Conversion of simple sentence into complex. Simple, his innocence was proved. That means it was proved that he was innocent. Join with that. His innocence was proved. Short. It was proved that he was innocent. That was joining words. Join with that. I was the first to hear this good news. That means I was the first who heard this good news. Meaning same. Join with who? Sentence type of the sentence change. For simple, second complex. Being ill-treated by his master, he left the job. As he was ill-treated by his master, he left the job. Join with as. He is too old to learn new things. He is so old that he cannot learn new things. Just we have seen remove to. First point, as you know, keep in mind that means turn into complex. Then you saw that in place of two, that's all. It become complex. Now, conversion of compound sentence into complex. Compound, spare the rod and spoil the child. That means if you spare the rod, you will spoil the child. If also, as we have seen, coming in complex. And but or coming in compounds here in compound sentence and is used while making complex if is used. He saw the danger but he did not stop. That means though he saw the danger he did not stop. Though, as you know, used in complex sentence. Compound, follow me or you will lose your way. Unless you follow me you will lose your way, or if you do not follow me you will lose your way. If and unless both coming in complex. If is then here make negative sentence. Unless, then unless itself negative, then no need of writing if does not. Compound sentence, waste not, want not. That means if you do not waste, you will not want, or unless you waste, you will not want. Compound sentence, I received your message and I came home. I received your message and I came here immediately. That means as soon as I received your message, I came immediately. See, immediately words cut. As soon as I received your message, I came here. As soon as the no need of writing immediately. Meaning same. See now, the process is reverse, converting a complex sentence into compound sentence or a simple sentence. See. Now rewrite the sentence by transforming them. I have sent 1 to 4 lesson, question as well as answer also there. See, don't think like this answer not that. 1 to 4 lesson question and below it, as you know, answer sending. I have sent answer also. So see, some don't know like this. Again listen that question, this particular sending from 1 to 4 lesson and its answer sheet also sending below them. So don't forget to see this. Okay? Otherwise don't think only question sending, answer also that. Clear? So see the question, see the answer, and yet you have to have doubt, then call me or just send the message. Okay? See you, thank you, have a nice day. Bye.